Hello lovelies! A while ago I had an email from Matcha Reserve and they asked me if I was willing to try some of their products, which I was really excited about because I really love matcha. And since I turned 36 last week, I requested something that would make me look young forever. And this is what they sent me: matcha collagen. It has collagen peptides, I assume plant-based, I'm not really sure, I hope. Barley grass, matcha of course, a little bit of sweetener and hyaluronic acid. And they come in these convenient little sticks, so you can take them with you when you're going on vacation or something like that. And I already made my matcha latte with a little bit of unsweetened oat milk. So watch me drink it and age backwards. And in the meantime, I'm going to do something else. I'm going to try out this matcha with vanilla, which I'm going to use in a raw cashew matcha cake recipe. And these are my ingredients. I have 3 cups, which is about 400 grams of soaked cashews. I have been soaking them overnight. Anything from 3 up to 8 hours is good. This is half a cup of melted coconut oil, half a cup of honey. You can use maple syrup or agave syrup. I'm going to use about 6 of these delicious medjool dates and 100 grams of hazelnuts and 2 teaspoons of this vanilla matcha. For my crust, I'm using my food processor. In go my hazelnuts and 6 of these dates. On the fly, I decided to add some cacao powder, a heaping tablespoon. There we go. Now lid on and pulse until you have a nice sticky crust. This is perfect, nice and sticky. A spring form would be ideal for this recipe. I don't have that, so I'm using this little tin. And to make it easier to remove the cake later, I'm going to place a little strip of parchment paper and a little circle on the bottom. So now it's nice and lined. And now I can dump my crust into the pie tin. Get it all in there. And now we're going to press the crust to make it firm. For the filling, I'm draining my cashews and give them a rinse. Of course, you can use your food processor to make the filling. I'm going to use my high-speed blender because I prefer the creamy texture that it makes. So in go my cashews. Now the coconut oil, all of it going in, and the honey. Lid on, and now I'm going to blend this into a smooth filling, and this will take a while, so take your time. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful creamy texture. This is what I'm looking for. So now I'm going to put half of this on my crust and the other half I'm going to add matcha to. So we have 2 beautiful layers of cake. Spread it nice and even. So my first layer is going in the freezer for about 50 minutes while I'm preparing my second layer, because that will make it easier to layer them on top of each other. To the remaining cashew cream, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of this beautiful vanilla matcha. Beautiful green creamy filling. Let's put this on top of the white filling. Big up for Matcha Reserve. Thanks for sending me the products. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, and I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye. Zeg je dat?
Ja.